Okay, so we're coming to you today with beautiful artwork. We are live from Germany in the art studio, and we have some artwork on display. First we got on display is this beautiful abstract piece with some crows. If you know crows, crows are some of the smartest bird on the planet. I chose to represent them in my piece today. Then coming up in second place, we have Mr. Lion King and his baby
Cub!
Cub, baby cub.
Bravo, Queen Mother!
Yay! Okay, so we got beautiful artwork that are ready to be hung up on the wall for display. So yeah, that's what we got today in the studio.
Cheetah Girls!
Yay! Okay, we got the artwork coming in. Okay, come on over, girls. Come on. Go across, go across.
Let's rock all night. Whenever you're down, I'll be letting you know.
Stop the video for me, kid. Come on over again. Woo! Alright, is everything in? Everybody, excuse. Taylor? Okay, come on over with the artwork. My little artist helpers. Alright. First we got the lion. And it's
Lion
baby.
King!
Lion King. Woo!
Bravo,
Now
Mother!
second one, come on up. Second. We have beautiful abstract landscape. Yes. And some crows.
Bravo, Mother!
Okay, now y'all can say something about them.
I love these pics. My mother did this because she is the best artist, except this crazy sister.
Okay, everybody, we're not done to do this. Okay. What the baby has to say? Baby
I
has
like
to
my
say-
mama's art.
Yeah, baby like his mama's art.
And I'm hungry.
Art Mama is coming to you live with new artwork that are completely done and ready for the viewing. None of these pieces are for sale. They're all for my house. I am not an artist who you can call.
Tina baby!
Okay, so we have a few of our representatives here in the office with us today. And they are cheering us on because the artwork is all beautiful and everyone here is so excited.
My mother did this. She's the best artist!
Thank you. Thank you to everybody in advance who will like, comment, and share this video across social media platform. We have been working hard to build our platform and we are so proud that we have a few people on board so far. I give thanks for all of y'all who supporting, and our praises goes out to you wherever you are on this planet. Yeah, be safe out there and lots of love, lots of hugs, lots of kisses. And stay warm during this cold winter time. Peace out, guys. Peace out. The person who was displaying the art wants to say something before we go. Here's the mic. Take the mic. Okay.
I like my mother's art a lot, and that's why I want to be like her when I'm older.
Yeah, thank you. That's me. I'm her mom, right?
Yes.
You like my art too? Okay, come. Somebody else want to say something? Give them the mic. Let them take the stage. Come on over here, please.
I love my mother's art because when I grow up, I'm gonna be her and the best artist. Just like her.
Yeah. They're very good
Because
children.
I love her.
I love all my children and all of y'all. Oh, my baby want to say something as well. Oh, yeah, my baby. Yeah. Okay, he said he loves